Hello guys and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, our channel featuring only the craziest and most valuable and epic moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a driver who got a bit careless, and when the roads are icy, you have to be focused all the time. Check out what happened to him. Pay close attention at the driver in a semi-truck in front of the camera. He was trying to make a U-turn. And well, let's just say that it didn't go quite as he planned it would. Stay tuned for this one and make sure to write me your opinion about the fail. We don't have the full context of the situation here, but from what we managed to find out, the guy was on his way to Bible studies, and for some reason, the police started chasing him down the road.
Yeah. No, he's never done that. Yeah, look. Yeah.
Some of these drivers definitely need to reconsider the fact how they got their driver's licenses in the first place. Check out this vehicle in front of the camera. For some odd reason, he cut over a double solid yellow line and caused a massive confusion on the road.
What the actual is going on? What is this person doing? Go!
Always make sure to adjust your speed based on the road conditions. In other words, if the road is wet and slippery from the rain like in this situation, please ease up on your gas pedal. This is why we always say that you need to keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front, and besides that, keep it easy on the gas pedal, especially while you're driving through town.
Idiot.
Yeah, we'll talk about it.
Okay. But do you decide?
My credits are out there anyway,
Yeah.
but I'm not like, I don't really take
Do you
credit from
decide,
somebody.
like, after the song, like, this would be good for this artist, or do you got before and after?
But both ways is the cool thing. Sometimes people start writing, they'll have like a cheat sheet and the publisher will send and be like, hey, such and such is working on an album.
Yeah.
Or such and such is looking for a song that feels like. And you'll take that cheat sheet and be like, let's target like this. But some days you just write one halfway through it, you're like, man, this would be
Idiot!
In this video, we are witnessing a road rage situation, and with whom else than with a Tesla driver who cut right in front of the camera for no reason. But that's not all. He even started brake checking the camera, as if the camera did something wrong in this situation. Just make sure to check this out and write me your opinion. Cameron didn't think that in a million of years he would get caught up in an accident like this one. Make sure to give me your opinion about this crazy situation and what would you do in order to avoid it. That is, if there is anything you could have done.
Where's your problem? Sorry?
I said, why can't you wait? No one can go. And you're trying to squeeze through.
Because I'm going to go before you, love.
Please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But there's no reason.
You're being ridiculous.
What have I done to you?
Friends that have got motorbikes.
Right, we all got friends who got cars. What have I done to you?
You've done nothing to me, but you're being ridiculous.
So if I haven't done anything to you, what are you shouting at me for? What are you shouting at me for?
Because you're trying to squeeze through.
Jesus.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Collin DashCam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two based on how to properly behave on the road. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that would mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care, guys.